Hi, my name is Wendy Pine. I'm a financial advisor with Protegro at Protegro.com. We're a holistic financial services firm. Recently, someone had asked me what the term qualified plan meant and what made it different from a non-qualified retirement plan. So I thought I'd do a quick video on it to help describe what these two terms mean. Simply put, qualified accounts or qualified retirement plans are savings vehicles that are qualified to be eligible for special tax considerations and have certain rules that need to be followed based on the specific plan. So these are regulated accounts. Qualified plans are designed to offer individuals added tax benefits on top of their retirement plans, such as an IRA, also known as an individual retirement account. Examples of qualified plans are 401k and 403b plans, pensions, profit-sharing plans, money purchase plans, SEP IRAs, simples, and Roth IRAs and Roth 401ks. However, those two, you can potentially take money out of those plans tax-free. And that, again, is Roth IRAs and Roth 401ks. Non-qualified plans are subject to some strict rules as well, but may not be entitled to the same tax benefits as qualified plans. As it pertains to retirement, they are typically designed to meet specialized retirement needs for key executives and other select employees. Examples of non-qualified plans are deferred compensation, executive bonus plans, and split dollar plans. Everyday examples of non-qualified money are CDs, cash, savings, joint and individual brokerage accounts, and cash value that is built up within a cash value life insurance policy. And if you'd like more information on that, please go and check out my life insurance videos. Now, why would someone consider using a non-qualified retirement plan? Well, let's just say you earn $500,000 annually, and all you could put in was $18,500 into your 401k retirement plan. That limit on the contribution represents 3.7% of your income. Now, at that rate, this person could never save enough pre-tax to make up the typical 70 to 90% replacement income goal for retirement. Now, as I've said before in other videos, there is no perfect retirement plan or product. Qualified plans are great for the tax deduction now and tax-deferred growth, but they're going to be subject to taxes later on at an unknown rate. Non-qualified plans aren't as regulated, but they may be subject to creditors' loss and different types of taxation, but could be beneficial in putting aside more money for a specified group of people or an owner of a business than what could be gotten from a qualified account. If you are considering putting money aside for retirement and you're not sure what would make the most sense for your situation, please give us a call and we could set up a complimentary consultation to review your situation and at least point you in the right direction. Well, that wraps up qualified versus non-qualified plans and money. Please hit subscribe below if you'd like to see more of these videos. If you have any questions, if you'd like to set up a complimentary call or have a suggestion, email us at info@protegro.com. Check out my website at protegro.com for more cool features and videos. Until next time, I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye.